Good morning, students. Economics, class 11, budget set and budget line, part 8. Every individual makes a budget that how he will consume his entire income on two goods or different type of goods. So, budget set is a budget set is a collection of all bundles available to a consumer at prevailing market prices at a definite income. Means we are having unlimited wants but limited resources are there. Means income are there. Budget line is drawn on the basis of budget set. Just as we have studied in the last, that was all the indifference curve or making the indifference curve map. In the same way, all the budget set will make the budget line. Budget line, it is the graphic presentation of all the combinations that a consumer can buy with his entire income at the prevailing prices. Whatever the number of units which we are purchasing for a particular good or different type of goods that are bought with our limited income. So, it is also known as price line or market offer curve. Now, we can make the combination by a hypothetical knowledge. Then, combinations are A, B, C, D, E and F. Different combinations we have taken, and X good we are using as 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. And the Y good which we are increasing, that is in the increasing manner, and it is having the difference. Here you are seeing the difference of 2, and in the Y good we are having the difference of 4. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And for that we must know that how much is the consumer's income. And consumer income, that table and diagram. Diagram we will discuss afterwards, but first see, table shows this is based on the assumption that consumer's income is rupees 100. And now you are seeing that the price of X good is rupees 10 per unit and price of Y good is rupees 5 per unit. And he has to choose both of them. So how many units of X good and Y good will be chosen? That depends upon our total expenditure is equal to total income. If he buys 10 units of X good and 0 units of Y good, then it will also the total of 100. Then the same thing is that for the 8 into 10 plus 4 into 5, that will also become the total of 100. Then 6 into 10 plus 8 into 5, that will also give us the total of 100. Same way 4 into 10 plus 12 into 5. 2 into 10 plus 16 into 5. 0 into 10 plus 20 into 5, and all combinations are being bought by the same income, that is 100. Now see, then all the values of the X good, this is being shown on X axis, and Y, that is on Y axis, and we are joining this line, and this is a straight line. Each combination exceeds rupees 100, means in no case it will change. Now price ratio remains constant, that is 10 upon 5, that is 2 upon 1. Then throughout our budget set, it is therefore budget line remains straight line downward sloping. Now features: straight line,